Roc. The roc is an enormous legendary bird of prey in the popular mythology of the Middle East. The roc appears in Arab geographies and natural history, popularized in Arabian fairy tales and sailors' folklore. Roc is a mythical creature. How it all started. One story of the roc involving the famous Sinbad the sailor tells the tale of how the giant bird unknowingly carries Sindbad to safely after a shipwreck. Sindbad was then stranded in the rock nest on top of a mountain where he found an egg as large as 148 hen eggs. Sinbad was later able to escape the rock nest by lashing himself to its leg with his turban without the bird even noticing. Sinbad flew so high with the roc that he lost the sight of the earth at one point. Eventually, he was able to escape when the roc flew near another island. Thank you. Bye bye.